Hello, I'm Suzzane. This is a quick video to show how to have multiple windows in Blender. In this tutorial, I will add Monkey Suzzane, so we can go to Add and Merge and go to Add Monkey Suzzane. Now, if we want to split the viewport, we can move the cursor to the corner of viewport. It will change to the cross. You can move the cursor to any corner. So, if we want to split the viewport, we can click and drag to move, and then release the mouse button to split the viewports into two. I split the viewports horizontally. If you want to split viewports vertically, we can click and drag to move vertically to split the viewports vertically. So we can change the angle. Now, if we move the cursor to the edge of the viewport, we can use right click, and then we can use the same option to split vertically and split horizontally. Now, if you want to cancel one of the viewport, we can join up or join down. So I use join up to cancel one of the viewports. Now I use right click and join to right to keep the original viewports. So if we want to split the viewports into four, we have the option to go to Fill and Area. We can use Toggle Quad Fill. And we have the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Q to toggle Quad Fill. So we have four views of the viewport. So we can press Ctrl-Alt-Q to go back. So this is how we can have multiple windows in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Suzzane. See you in the next video.